Well, this episode isn't going to go to plan. I was going north and I was going to camp out at a really nice creek camp in the state forest. It would have been absolutely beautiful. Hiking, waterfalls. But unfortunately, Mother Nature had other plans. So days and days of torrential rain and the whole area basically flooded. So I had to come back down south, and I found somewhere to camp up at a hip camp. I was just lucky because a lot of hip camps were actually closed because it was just flooding everywhere, even people's backyards, ankle deep. But this lovely couple who had one little gravel patch near the entry, they said I could park up there for a few days. So I'm virtually in their backyard. But that's okay, it's right near Noosa. So I've come down to the beach today to have a look. But unfortunately, no hikes, no waterfalls. At least I've got the beautiful beach. What do you reckon, Teddy? Is it a gorgeous view? It is. It's the Teddy approval. So it's just on dusk. As you can see, the sun's going down behind me there. And Teddy and I thought we'd go for a walk. Sorry, not the best light. Even though it's right by the highway, this hip camp I'm at, and I'm getting an awful lot of highway noise. It is a really pretty spot. Okay, so I'm just coming into the hip camp, the property. It's a bit dark, sorry. But that's the highway. Don't know if you can hear all the traffic. But yeah, apparently they normally park campers over there, but because of all the flooding, I couldn't be over there. So they've got me behind their house. So this is a massive 4-bay shed, but part of it has actually been made into a bar. I don't want to go over there. Nobody there. It's in darkness, but that's a bar in there. Look at the stools. They're a car seat made into bar stools. And at the end of this is their little house. He repairs cars. And there's me. Over in the little gravel pit. But hey, I'm high, I'm dry, and at least I had somewhere else to go. Great first day. Well, hopefully since the sun's out, it's going to dry everything up. It absolutely bucketed down from yesterday afternoon, and actually during the night, the torrential downpours actually woke me up. But yeah, hopefully it won't be long and everything will be dried out. Anyway, let's go down to the beach. We were meant to get a storm this morning, but it didn't end up coming, which is really good. But it's a breezy day, but the sun's shining. So anyway, it's after lunch, and I'm here with my family. The grandkids you saw. Yeah, so we're going to head down to the beach now and have some fun on the beach. Hopefully the water's a good temperature and I'll actually hop in. Getting my line ready. Thought I'd do some fishing this afternoon. Actually, what do people prefer? Beach fishing or river fishing or deep sea fishing? I like to be able to kick back and relax. If the line moves, it moves. If it doesn't matter.
So much to prove. It's all I could do to get away. But now that I'm here, I'm filled with fear. In the mirror when I look at my face, I couldn't wait to move. I had so much to prove. It's all I could do to get away. Now that I'm here, I'm filled with fear. Under me when I look at my face.
The best thing is about waking up at the beach. Excuse me, better get up and do some work. Actually, I think I'll have breakfast. But looks like the sun's out. So yeah, I think I'll walk along the beach to start the day. When I was a teenager and we used to come down here, this was actually the only way down to the beach. To get to a little town called Sandon, you had to actually drive along the beach to get to it. It's been closed off now to cars for many years, but yeah, it's all grass now. But they finally built a road into Sandon, so you don't have to come down onto the beach. Look at that. What a gorgeous morning. Look at all the seaweed. So it does smell down here a little bit of the seaweed. But we're not going to let a little bit of seaweed stop us. The smell. But it is coming in high tide. So hopefully a lot of this seaweed will be carried back out to sea. Okay, gonna take the leg workout back to camp. Oh dear. It's another beautiful day here. A bit of a storm go through last night though, which woke me up. Anyway, it's move on day, so just packing everything up, about to do my final checks. I've got everything hooked up, ready to go. Yep, it's all good. Legs are up, check all the doors. Sorry, I know it's a bit close. Yep, okay, I've got to pull these out. I think, yep, I've got that one. Check all these ones. They're all tight. I can. There we go. I've got one more to get. But yeah, she's pretty much ready to go. Let's hit the road.